Hi, my name is Przemek Chojecki and this video is about AlphaFold, the latest development from DeepMind. So basically this is the reiteration of what they did a couple of months ago at the beginning of this year in January, where they have this really massive progress towards solving the protein folding problem. And right now they basically claiming that they solved the whole problem with the new iteration of AlphaFold. And this is really great news. So the problem itself, just to explain it simply, is so proteins are have this unique 3D structure, and basically you're trying to establish what kind of structure is this, how does it look, and if you are able to figure it out, basically you can use that knowledge in order to, for example, do new drugs, discover some new things which are relevant to human health, and so on. So it's really important to understand this protein, because we are actually, all humans are made of proteins. Well, every living structure is made of proteins, so it's super important to understand these 3D structures. And basically what they did at DeepMind is they have this neural network trained on the huge database, using basically the modern day TPUs, so tensor processing units from Google, in order to train the neural network to discover this protein, this unique 3D structure. The paper is not out yet, it's not public. I haven't seen how they did it closely, but the discovery is really important, and moreover, the explanation of everything is really good. So if you go to the blog post, I will post a link down in the description. You'll be able to read more about the problem. You'll be able also to watch the video, what's the protein folding problem exactly. It's 2 minutes, super short, super great also to watch, and then the results that they achieved in this iteration of AlphaFold. So there's this CASP benchmark that they basically measure against, and they managed to really have a lot of progress against this benchmark, which basically makes for the whole problem being right now solved, and that can really help biologists and people in pharma to boost the scientific discoveries using AlphaFold. Yep, so there's a bunch of statistics. Then later on you can see also what kind of tools they have used to train the neural network. Let me find that for you. Yeah, so 2018, that was the previous AlphaFold. Yeah, there's this data about training the actual model. So they use the publicly available data consisting of 170 protein structures from the protein data bank, together with large databases containing protein sequences of unknown structure. And they use 16 TPU version 3, which basically is 100 to 200 GPUs in power, and that run over a few weeks, which might be a lot from a personal perspective, but it's not that much if you compare to large models like GPT-3, for example. So people are using actually much more. So it's really great they got already this kind of results. This is the infrastructure, the overview of the main neural network that they trained. So as you can see, there's some kind of embedding, and you basically process this embedding towards scoring the structure, discovering the structure, counting distances between the edges. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to the paper to actually see how it looks like. Well, GitHub would be great as well if there's any to look at the actual code. Yeah, and it's really exciting. I'm really happy about this result. This is something really big. Especially that it can have real-world repercussions. We're living in this pandemic time, so actually it can help fight viruses like COVID. So they also mentioned it themselves that they predicted several protein structures of the SARS-CoV-2 virus. So it's really great and can really benefit the human race in total. So thank you for watching. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next episode. Thank you.